Hey guys.
Hi.
So, today we are going to Coney Island. We finally made it.
Yeah.
Tell them where we made it.
Coney Island.
And it's actually pretty cold. It's not like super cold, it's just like
Kind of cold.
my sweater was like rolled up, like you pull them up to your elbows, and I had to pull them down. So we're just gonna go and like have some fun. Nothing major, right?
Yeah, nothing major.
We might get on rides, we don't know yet.
Does he want to keep it as a memory?
Yeah, well, we're excited to make these memories while vlogging, but it does feel a little unnatural.
Touch it.
I'm too short to touch it. Anyway, so yeah, the camera's like really shaky. I'm not the best camera girl. Let's be realistic here. And he's like super tall. Like I'm down here and like
I'm not
he's
that
up
tall.
there.
I'm not that tall.
Yeah, you are. He's only like probably like 4 inches taller than me. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really hard to get him in frame on camera. So yeah, we'll get back to you when we are at the beach.
Okay, so we're here at the boardwalk.
Like we're walking up.
Walking
Why do you have such a low camera angle? That is so awkward.
Happy?
Yeah.
Happy?
You're like, okay, so we're here at the beach, right? Yeah, and I told him to take off his shoes because you know how like when sand gets all in your shoes and you freaking hate it? So I took mine off and he still has his on. But yeah, I didn't have socks on with my shoes because my shoes are like, those. So it's not as cold. I feel like we've warmed up already. But yeah.
No one's in the water.
Yeah, no one's in the water. It's probably really cold.
I'll get on the
And I probably will just let my feet touch the water.
I'm not.
But we'll probably walk along the beach for a little bit and then probably look into the rides. So yeah, we will see you when we're by the water. So 360. All the rides and all the people. Back to the show.
It's just a nice day here in Coney Island. Here with Ju. That's her nickname. J-U, Ju. That's her right there. Playing with the water. are you going? Where are you taking me? Where are you going?
I'm gonna climb the rock. Not past there though.
Oh. Well, keep my distance.
It actually kind of hurts.
Okay. What you find, Joe?
What?
What you find?
A bag full of sand.
Bag full of sand. Lovely day.
Let's go under the pier, come on.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm still recording.
You said I'm still important?
I'm still recording.
Oh, I thought you were like, I'm still important. I'm like, yeah, you are.
The seagull. A very, very majestic creature. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can get my shoes wet. Now she wants to go under the pier.
Last time, I came here with my other friend, Lanisha, and we found like 3 what are they called? Jellyfish. We found 3 dead jellyfish, and we found like 3 fish,
That's quite.
and she like brung it all the way from here, all the way to like the boardwalk.
She do that.
And she like had it on a stick, and she was carrying it around like a roasted marshmallow. And I was just like, leave it, leave it.
Why didn't she leave it?
I don't know.
It's like weird stuff.
Maybe we'll find another jellyfish today.
I don't want to find a jellyfish.
Why? Hopefully not, because that's me, because then they'll be dead.
Look, a water bug.
Stop! Stop! There's no water bugs on a beach.
I'm gonna have a lot of fun in Mexico doing that.
Oh my god! So nice. Watch, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get it on camera.
There you are.
I want to show the world. What are you afraid of?
Everything.
I'm gonna drown you. When we're swimming with whale sharks, I'm gonna like grab onto your leg and be like,
Dude, I will kick you in the face by accident.
on purpose, by accident, on purpose.
By accident and on purpose. Alrighty, so she just convinced me to take off my shoes and to just be with her in the water. Now, I don't know if you can see her. I'm trying to see her. Let's see where she's at. She's right there. Joe! Joe!
Hi.
Nice.
Go deeper.
Don't go deeper.
Deeper.
No!
This is a ship, so we're hoping that the waves get a lot bigger. Oh my gosh, and they are. So pretty.
Come inside.
That one.
That one!
Oh my god! Let's see if you can take it, Eli. You're gonna get your pants wet. A little bit. Yeah, you did a little bit. No, don't go deeper. because it's a really windy day, and all I had was like those little black rubber bands, and it's not holding up that well. I have to fix my hair like every 5 seconds. But we're gonna go check out all of those rides back there, all the way over there. So yeah, you're gonna come along with us. So let's go. Right? So there's this really cool machine, and it says 25 cents to laugh, 25 cents to feel good, 25 cents to smile. So we're gonna do that and see a smile. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh. That's so cute. It's over.
Wow.
I guess it succeeded. It made me smile. It was cute. So we decided not to go on rides because there was really long lines and there was a lot of people, and like 3 of the rides that we wanted to ride were like closed. So instead, we'll do the next best fun thing, which is eat. So we're in McDonald's.
So if you're not a virgin.
Oh, weird angles. We've not mastered the angles yet.
So we decided to come back to the beach, and it's very, very windy, as you can see. And we found this cool, really deep hole, and we found all this little play stuff, and it doesn't belong to anybody. So we're just playing around, making holes and stuff. Let me show you how deep it is. Get in there. Okay. So like past my knee. See, I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to get close to the edge. There you go. You probably can't tell, but it's a really deep hole. And there we go. So that's what we're doing. We have snacks over there that we brought. And here's how beautiful the ocean looks. And all the little children. Oh my god, look at the dog! Oh my gosh! So cute. For watching our vlog, our second ever vlog, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!
All B's for beaches.